Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Grundig True Wireless Stereo Earphones, Bluetooth connectivity, 2 hours playing time, 1 hour charging time with a USB Type-C and battery display. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals or a beautiful transparent look. It comes with a cable, Type A to Type C, and the length it is 40 centimeters. Somehow you can charge these earphones. I love the transparent look. Type-C port. Wow, with LED light that is changing randomly. How cool is that? I love the display. You can see the battery percentage. The case has a 200 mAh battery and each earbuds they have 30 mAh battery. 71%. Look at the randomly colors. So cool. You can remove them, just pull right and left. Colors and here. Wow, ready to connect. And when connected, right is charging. Or the left. And they cost only 10 euros. I hope the sound will be amazing. Ready to connect. You need a smartphone. 27072. Pair. Ready. For calls and audio. Headphones. Let's wear them. Wow, I like it. It's perfect. Wow, amazing bass. Sounds so nice. Now, how you can use them? So, you can just tap once and pause, resume again for both earbuds. Next song, just tap and hold. It will go to the next song for 2 seconds. Or the previous, tap and hold. Double tap, decreasing the volume, so easy, adjust the volume. So easy, or you can increase the volume. Increasing the volume. If someone is calling you, you can just press and hold for 2 seconds to reject the call. To answer the call, short press on either earbuds, and that was all. The sound quality is fancy and clear enough for broadcast and casual playlist with a decent sub bass. Touch controls surprisingly responsive,
You can skip tracks and answer calls without having to reach for your phone. Connectivity: Bluetooth pairing is quick and reliable within a 10-meter range. Unique design: the transparent casing is sure to start conversations. Great portability: the case is small enough to fit in a coin pocket, yet sturdy enough to go in a backpack.
And you can enable the voice assistant. Triple click. How are you today? Nice. And the volume will resume. To redial, press 4 times. Oh, there it is. So easy. Just love it. And it costs only 10 euros. The two metal contacts are coming in contact and start charging. Amazing music, amazing sound quality. Just love the RGB lighting. Randomly it's changing. When it's charging from the cable or when the earbuds are charging at the base. Strong magnets are holding very well. Automatically is connected when it's not at the case to your smartphone. If you're a fan of that retro futuristic see-through tech look, these are an absolute steal. They look significantly more expensive than they actually are, and the charging case with its integrated LED display is a nice touch that most budget buds keep. They are the perfect accessory for someone who wants their tech to make a statement without draining their bank account. You are getting decent sound and a killer design for the price of a few fancy coffees. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more gadget reviews and tech accessories. Thanks for watching, enjoy the music, and I'll see you in the next one.